Hello guys, and welcome to my 34th video tutorial, and this is part number 3 of the search engine application for our CrossDesk site. So what I wanted is to change a little bit the presentation of the results, okay, and I already made that, and so you can copy this. So after the while loop and given the variables here, the values of row and each field or each value, you can tap echo, and this is what is going to present to the user, to be presented to the user in your web page. Okay, so you can type this as I have here. Open double quotes and line break, H3, and then name. Okay, colon and the variable name, parentheses, between the parentheses we are going to identify the ID of the user, close the H3, then email colon, email variable, break line, password, and the variable password. Okay, so this will output every information about each user that the search engine located. Okay, so the presentation is this one here. Okay, so it's much better than we did that the one we had before. Okay, so if I type here, let's say Dennis, click enter, no results found. Why? Because I'm not, I don't have, this is a search engine, search by name and not by email. Okay, so whatever email you type in here, it will not search anything. It will not give you any results. This is to search only by name. So if I type Victor, every user with the name Victor will be found. And you can type, for example, two names, Victor and Johnny. If you search it, it will search Victor, Victorino, Johnny. Okay, and each of them has their ID and the email and the password. Okay, basically this is a loop. Okay, this is the while loop that we did in the code. Okay, it loops through all the results that it found. Okay, so I want to change some little things here as well. And so here after the HR, here let's type U and results, 2 points, close U, and let's give it a space here. You'll see why. And BSB, save that. And now if you go to here and refresh, we have results here. Okay, and now I want something to appear here saying results, number of results found for whatever user or whatever you typed. Okay, more or less like Google. Okay, Google has that as well. So in here, before while here, we type an echo, and here inside the double quotes we type num, which is the number of rows returned that it found, num, and now we type result, and between parentheses the S, found for, and you can type this in bold and type here the search, close bold, and exclamation point. Let's say this, and now you'll see what is the result of this line of code. If I click refresh, I'm expecting an error, line 46, so let's go to 46. And we have to type here semicolon. Of course, I forgot that. If I refresh, beautiful. 4 results found for Victor and Johnny. If I type, let's say, I don't know my database, so let's see. Let's type Jojo. So if I go back to search user, if I type Jojo, click enter, it found 4 results for Jojo. 1, ID 13, ID 30, ID 37, and ID 36. Okay, beautiful. So you see now it works perfectly. Okay, so now we have a full feature search engine in our CRUD test site to search whatever user you want to search in your database. Okay, so this is it for now, and in the next video we will learn. I'm going to show you how to make a pagination. Okay, how to build a script to do pagination, and what it does is in the case that you have a long list of users like I have here. That's why I told you before to make more registered users, okay? Because we are going to use them now with pagination. In the case you have a lot of users, you don't want them to be in the same page like this, and the user has to scroll down all the way and search users. I want a short view or short page list for the user to see, and then at the bottom I want a numerical I want numbers, page 1, page 2, page 3, like Google, okay? And I can go to page 2, page 3 to see the second list. So each page will have, for example, 20 users. Page 2 will have 20 users. Page 3, 20 users. And not all in the same page, okay? That's pagination. I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's it. If you have any questions at all about the search engine, just send me a message, and see you guys later. Bye.